Hello everyone! When you are learning a new language, what do you usually learn first? Without a doubt, you will definitely learn these words. Hello, goodbye, thank you. How to say these words in Mandarin? My name is Careen. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. The learning objective of this video is to able to greet people. When you first start learning Mandarin, your teacher will definitely teach you to say hello first. Please look at these two Chinese characters. 你好. Please read again after me. 你好. 你好 means hello. Literally translates as you good. 你 means you, 好 means good. Please remember how this word well. In Mandarin, we use the word 好 very often. But the Chinese word for 你好, hello, is when you greet to someone close to your age and status or someone younger than you. 你好 is more like hi. It's an informal way to say hello, more casual. If you are greeting someone you are meeting for the first time, an elderly person, or an honorable person, it would be more appropriate for you to greet them by using 您好. Read after me again. 您好. 您 is a respectful form of you. As you can see, 你 and 您, these two Chinese characters looks almost alike. But 您 this Chinese character have a special radical underneath. And these radicals means for heart. You can remember this word in this way. We respect people with our hearts. So this word 您 has the heart radical. Now, please read after me. 你好. 您好. Again. 你好. 您好. Goodbye in Mandarin is 再见. The word 再 means again. The word 见 means meet. 再见 literally means meet again. So, just remember 再见 means goodbye. 再见, these two Chinese characters both also fourth tone. So please read in the medium high pitch. If you're not sure about Mandarin tones, please watch my previous video. You can check the link in the descriptions. Thank you in Mandarin is 谢谢 or 谢谢你. As I have just explained to you, 你 means you. So, 谢谢 means thanks. If you say 谢谢你 means thank you. Actually, not much different between these two. Again, 谢谢 means thanks. 谢谢你 means thank you. The second word of 谢 is a neutral tone. Neutral tone is said to be light or de-emphasized. Actually, when you read neutral tone word, just be a bit shorter than the other's tone. So, read again after me. 谢谢. Again, 谢谢. And also read again this one. 谢谢你. Again, 谢谢你. I have some reflection questions for you. After watching this video, Do you know how to greet with different people? Do you know how to say you in Mandarin? Can you identify the differences between 谢谢 and 谢谢你? Thanks for watching! If you like my video, please provide your feedback and suggestions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.